Escúchame, tiene orificio de salida.
¿Qué?
Tiene orificio.
Pues claro que tiene orificio de salida. Hi, the video you're about to see is a very difficult one to watch. It describes a very hard reality, a reality that we live here, we and my team, and we as the entire community of animal rescuers around the world. This group doesn't have the exclusivity for cruelty. We've seen it all, but groups in Turkey, groups in Bulgaria, Romania, in Southeast Asia, in the Middle East, even in the United States, rescue groups have seen it all. This is a very difficult video, but it's reality, and is what we are facing here today. Let me introduce you to Hero. This is Hero.
Tiene orificio de salida.
¿Qué?
Tiene orificio.
Pues claro que tiene orificio de salida.
¿Llevas tú la placa ahí? Vamos a meter el chasis, algo. El chasis.
So this is Hero. His condition is pretty bad at the moment. He's being stabilized. We're working on getting rid of the infection on his injury, and then once this is a bit better, and we're gonna have to do a blood transfusions shortly, and probably 2. And then once he's feeling a bit better, we'll start working on rebuilding that bone. We'll probably use an external fixation, and then in another surgery we'll use internal plates, and this is going to be difficult. This is going to be very difficult, but we're going to try. We're going to try because we have to try, because it's the right thing. Anyway, there are plenty of things that I would like to say. How can a dog be shot on the flank like he has in a civilized country? Believe it or not, Spain is one of the most civilized countries in the world. Is at some point until recently was the 8th largest economy, and but I don't know. I mean, yes, I know why these things happen, but I don't really know how to stop them. So because of this, I can only rescue, and saving lives one by one is the only thing I can do. Some of you will say, oh, but go prosecute who did this. I have no idea who did this. If I knew it, I wouldn't need to prosecute him, because I'll probably smash his head myself. But the problem is I don't know who does this, and this seems to be quite a widespread epidemic of animal abuse. Just a couple of days ago, they found a mass grave in somewhere in the center of the country, where there were tens and tens of greyhounds, galgos, being dumped there by hunters. I will try to upload some footage of this tomorrow. Anyway, Hero is in intensive care. He needs help. We need help to continue rescue. Please, if you can, join us as a sponsor on Patreon. There's a link here. It's a Patreon page. There are already 1,208 patrons, and it's because of them that we are able to do all of this. So please, if you can, join us on Patreon, help me save lives. Just click here, please. Thanks. See you tomorrow.